how to connect your YouTube account with Epic Games easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go down and search for settings and click on connected apps here. Now right here you will find Epic Games. Click on it and click connect right here. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.